Have you heard that there are two most dangerous attitudes in the workplace? Do you know that both extremes can be dangerous for you?
Please join me in welcoming the radiant influencer, Miss Tony Miranda.
Woohoo! Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Can we all stand up? Pakitaan niyo naman ako ng cheerful morning. Success is not all about your skills. Things that you develop as a nurse, things that you develop as a health worker. Hindi lang pala yan ang success. Kalahati pala ng success niyo is your attitude. Right? So, let's try to work on your attitude. I'm not saying you have bad attitude. What we wanted to just experience today is to understand your attitude. First attitude. First attitude is you find the workplace as dredging. As parang, training. Parang ayoko na, I have no choice. First attitude. Okay? So ito yan, attitude yan sa side na to. Next attitude is you find the workplace as the only thing that matters in your life. That is your definition of you, definition of your confidence, definition of your fulfillment. Nakalimutan na meron pang ibang parts of your life. While some of us go through one stage to another, you shift from one place to another, or sometimes trying to balance which kind of attitude you have every morning or every Sunday, no, parang nandami mga Sunday blues. It depends on your shift na parang, papasok ko naman nakabukas. Or, hi, napasok naman bukas because this is life. Do you know that both extremes can be dangerous for you? So today, we'll try to understand why some of you find work, including the people in your work, to be dredging, to be toxic, to be germs or virus or bacteria. So yung parang, I just need to do it. Or, gustong-gusto mo, wala na lang uwian dahil pag uwi mo, mas matindi yung sitwasyon. Sa work na lang ako. Attitude is not just happening today. It has been, you have been programmed to develop that over years. And, surprise, surprise, some of your attitudes are passed down from your lola, lolo. Pansinin mo, sinong kaugali ko sa kamag-anak ko? Are you willing to know yourself? Are you willing to understand yourself? And are you willing to discover something new in yourself? Someone else's negative attitude leads to burnout. Right? Diba? No, parang kung alam lang niya sana kung paano siya nakaka-apekto ng isang taong nababurnout na, or kung paano nakaka-burnout sa isang tao, ang napakasama niya ugali. Okay? And there's also a study here. Okay? There's also a study by Gallup that 76% of employees experience workplace burnout out of a negative attitude of a workmate. Gusto niyo ba yung ikaw yung taong basta lang nahahawa? Or gusto nyo, ikaw yung taong naintindihan lang sila na may nang ganyan nangyari sa paligid, pero kaya nyong tumayo sa conviction nyo, kaya nyong i-manage din ang reaction nyo. And you know what? The good news is, kaya. Kasi merong system. Hindi merong style mo. I don't wanna call it style. Merong system na pwede nyo i-apply sa sarili nyo kung mukhang nahahawa na kayo, or kung mukhang hindi nyo na kaya yung na-observe nyo sa paligid nyo. let's hear from the two of you. Let's hear from you. Okay, was it easy giving feedback to someone you don't know?
Not that easy, ma'am. Kasi medyo may bias siya dun sa part na you don't really know the person and yet. But still, yung first impression naman po is sometimes naman yun talaga yung basis ng isang tao to identify who the person is.
Yeah, yeah. How about you? Was it easy to give feedback to someone you know?
Ganun din po, ma'am. Sa impression lang din po ako nag-base para po.
To someone you know?
Yes po.
Okay. Sige. So, sabihin, maski know mo siya, impression mo sa pagkakakilala mo sa kanya. Got it. Okay. How does it feel receiving feedback that you're not saying it? Na alam mo lang binibigyan ka ng feedback. How does it feel?
Unfair po kasi for me, hindi naman niya ako kilala lubusan. Para bigyan niya ako ng impression. Pero
Yeah.
okay lang naman po yun kasi it's just an impression lang.
Right. But somehow, realistically, we feel unfair, diba? Or we feel judged, right? Okay, another one? Wala kang idea kung ano nilalagay sa likod.
I felt nothing. Kasi I did the same thing din naman.
So parang dahil alam mo lahat ginagawa yon,
Yeah.
walang pakiramdam. Okay, got it.
Exciting.
Kasi
Kasi,
same.
yeah, same. So, mas
Magkakasama kayo.
nakakasama kapag work kami together. So, alam po namin somehow yung isa't isa. Paano yung pag-work namin as a workmates po inside the department. So, at least, alam po namin sa isa't isa na it's just fair and just kung ano yung ibibigay namin impression or feedback po sa isa't isa.
Yung trainings, sobrang na-appreciate ko po kasi nung una, sa totoo lang, nung una po, akala ko po maboboring lang, ganon. Pero nung nandun na sa kalagitnaan, ganon, mas na-appreciate tsaka mas nakaka-relate ako dun sa mga topics mo po. Ayun po. Thank you po.
So I would like to fully express my gratitude for UniHealth and to you po for this program because with our everyday work we get stressed out and burned out for a lot of times for a lot of reasons, but with conducting these activities we get to fully express ourselves, our emotions and our conflicts with other departments and be more open with one another.
Actually po, nahirapan po ako sa kasi bago lang po kami. So, hindi ko po sila kilala talaga personally and hindi ko pa po sila nakaka-work talaga as in yung work na work ko. So, pero thankful pa din po ako sa naging activity na to. At least, nagkaroon kami ng chance, kaming mga bago, halubilo sa ibang department kahit hindi naman namin sila. Kasi di naman lahat marorotatean din namin. Di naman lahat makikilala namin. At least kahit paano po, nagkaroon po kami ng interaction sa ibang workmates.
Bale, thank you po UniHealth Southwoods and Miss Tony for conducting this wave training. Kasi mas lalo pa po namin nakilala yung sarili namin. And then mas much more aware po kami sa mga concerns sa ibang areas. Then naging eye-opener din po ito sa lahat. And yun. Thank you po.
And then to Miss Tony for inspiring us, for enlightening us kung ano yung mga, kung paano namin marireach or magiging best version of ourselves kami in our future. So we, siguro after this training, we can start na unti-unti na maging best version of ourselves. Yeah.
Thank you, Ma'am Tony. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Tony Miranda. Okay, this is the last wave for the year and I noticed this is a group of both old and young. But we want to be sure that everybody attends this training or seminar. Tutunan nyo dito was well summed up by Tony in his closing. So it's all about positive work attitude and personality development. It's one of the major efforts natin for all our personnel dito sa UniHealth Southwoods. Attitude and personality development. You cannot be able to serve our patients if you don't have that kind of positive attitude. That's why in your seminar today, it's to be a better you also. Because we want to lead others to better health and therefore to better lives. Thank you very much and good afternoon.